Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best torch for acrylic pouring on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best torch for acrylic pouring. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Acrylic pouring involves mixing several fluid paints to get or create various effects. The beauty in acrylic pouring found its basis because the multiple paints have different densities. That is, each paint weighs more or less with the same volume compared to the other. Because of this, different paints, when mixed, behave differently. When paints are mixed for acrylic pouring, some paints will rise while others will sink, resulting in stunning effects that are catchy to the eyes. One of these incredible effects is formed when you use the best torches for acrylic pouring. However, in mixing paints for acrylic pouring, several unwanted effects also arise, such as air bubbles. This is another reason why you torch an acrylic pouring. Our best torch for acrylic pouring review 2021 is a beginner's guide to choosing the best torch for acrylic pouring. In this review, you will learn why you torch an acrylic pour, the kinds of torch you use for acrylic pouring, how to torch an acrylic pour, and the factors to consider when choosing the best torch for acrylic pouring. Number 1. Your Kitchen Premium Culinary Butane Torch for acrylic pouring. Are you an artist who loves to put a perfect finishing touch on acrylic paint pouring? Air bubbles make your work unattractive, and this can be annoying after investing so much time and skill in creating a beautiful natural flowing painting. This Your Kitchen Large Culinary Butane Torch for acrylic pouring will pop the air bubbles that form when you mix paints and pour them on the surface you want to use. Here are some of the reasons why we consider it as one of the best torches for acrylic pouring. Safety first, Your Kitchen Large Culinary Butane Torch features an easy-to-use gas flow safety lock for maximum protection from an unintentional ignition. Only don't forget to lock it when it is not in use. The torch's body also features a built-in finger guard that ensures your finger is protected from extreme heat and burns. Ending your acrylic paint pouring with burnt flesh isn't such a good idea for any artist. You also don't need to hold down the ignition button to keep it ignited, as it eases out a continuous flame when in use. One great feature the best torch for acrylic pouring should have is the refillable feature. You can refill this art torch easily using any butane gas with the long universal refill tip like Ronson and Blue Flame. Moreover, this art torch makes for the ideal present when celebrating a special anniversary. Over and above that, this art blower for acrylic pouring has a sturdy base that can prevent accidents should it fall over. An artist will also find this heat torch the right kitchen tool for a perfect cooking experience. Buy this butane torch and experience creativity at art and while cooking. Number 2. Sandico Butane S400 Torch for acrylic pouring. Buying a new butane torch or replacing an old one? We recommend this torch for acrylic pouring. Buying this Sandico butane torch for acrylic pouring guarantees you safety and quality with its unique features. It features a safety lock that prevents accidental ignition and a broad base that prevents accidental fall. In addition, the burn-free finger guard and long angles nozzle guard your hands safely away from the flame. However, while using this Sandico heat torch for acrylic pouring, we recommend that safety measures are taken, such as turning the fire ignition towards close when not in use. This butane torch also features an aluminum alloy nozzle and a zinc alloy base design for long-time use. Moreover, it features a piezo ignition that allows for an adjustable flame and continuous flame mode. To do this, press the button to light the fire, turn the safety lock clockwise at the same time. It will keep firing without your pressing. Also, with this ignition button, the flame temperature can reach up to 1,300 degrees Celsius per 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. Sandico butane torch is ideal for acrylic pouring in bar cocktails, lighting a cigar, fire, dabs, barbecue grills, camping, craft, soldering, toasting, and more. Unlike other butane torches, the Sandico heat butane torch for art is compatible with any brand of butane gas, whether long or short nozzle. All you need to do for a gas tank with a short nozzle is to add the red adapter included in the box to lengthen the nozzle and refill your torch. The Sandico butane torch is a perfect gift that you can exchange between artists and family. Number 3. Gibbs butane torch for acrylic pouring. Ever imagined acrylic pouring without touch? This blow torch will make you change your mind after its first usage. Enough cannot be said of the importance of the use of the best torch for acrylic pouring. Aside from popping air bubbles that get trapped in the paint, Gibbs blow torch lighter helps you create cells from the rise and fall of various density paints. Its outstanding features make us selected among the best torch for acrylic pouring review. Gibbs heat torch for art has a security lock that guarantees safety from accidental ignition by kids. The base is broad enough so it doesn't fall to the ground. Made from aluminum alloy like the Sandico butane torch, this art blower for acrylic pouring is made to last long. The art touch is refillable, and the flame intensity can also be adjusted up to 1300 degrees Celsius / 2500 F to suit the artist's and chef's preference. It is built for easy operation with the gas flow regulator and air control valve. As well, this torch for acrylic pouring can be put on a continuous fire mode by lighting it up with the piezo ignition technology button as seen in the Sandico butane torch, designed for easy lighting and turning it in a clockwise direction at the same time. However, we encourage that safety measures should be carried out on the manufacturer's instruction. Over and above that, this torch can be used for other purposes such as cigar lighter, DIY soldering, cooking, welding, etc. Number 4. Tenkas blow torch for acrylic pouring. Acrylic pouring without touch is not complete. Torches for acrylic pouring, in addition to popping air bubbles from your paint, also helps create cells. If you are a beginner in the art of acrylic pouring, this best butane torch for acrylic pouring will make your journey easier and help you create appreciable artwork. This best butane torch for acrylic pouring from Tenkas is constructed with TUVCE aluminum and ABS plastic to ensure durability and ergonomic comfort. The butane torch provides unmatched flame consistency and reliability with its piezo press ignition. It is a mini blow torch compared to other butane torches, and it is lightweight. Besides that, this butane torch is refillable and features a gas flow regulator dial so artists can easily adjust the flame to their preferences. This butane torch can create a continuous 2370 degrees Fahrenheit per 1300 degrees Celsius, so you focus on creating cells and popping bubbles without having to control the flame always. The torch is also safe to use as it features a finger guard that protects you and a safety lock. Not to mention, this butane torch is easy to fill. However, it is compatible with only the long universal refill tip. In addition to being used as an art tool for acrylic pouring, this butane torch can also be used as a culinary torch. Pros: it is easy to hold. It has an ergonomic design. You get the best value from your money. It is lightweight. It is easily maneuvered. This butane torch has excellent versatility. The flame is easily adjustable. Cons: it is compatible with only a long universal refill tip. Number 5. Blobek butane torch for acrylic pouring. Are you deciding between a heat gun versus a torch for acrylic pouring? A heat gun will help pop bubbles, however, it blows out dust over your wet acrylic paint and makes your work unattractive. That's not so with a butane torch such as the Blobek butane torch. This art torch pops bubbles flawlessly, making it one of the best butane torches for acrylic pouring. Blobek butane torch is made from aluminum alloy material that ensures long-lasting usage. It has a capacity of 8-10 G butane gas. This butane art torch is only compatible with long nozzle butane gas compared with the Sandico butane torch, consistent with both long and short nozzle. This heat torch has a flame adjusting regulator and the flame is consistent and reliable. Ignite using the button while turning the security lock to the right simultaneously will allow it to keep firing. The flame temperature can reach up to 2372 degrees Fahrenheit per 1300 degrees Celsius. The torch is also easy to fill. Also, this art blower for acrylic pouring is designed with the safety of its users in mind. It features a safety lock and a wide bottom, preventing accidental ignition and accidental fall, respectively. This art torch does not come with gas to ensure safety during transportation. This torch for acrylic pouring is portable, sturdy, yet lightweight. It is multi-purpose and used for caramelizing food, barbecue, baked butter, soldering, DIY jewelry projects, cocktails, craft and cigar lighter, and outdoor activities such as camping. Blobek butane torch comes with one kitchen blow torch, one screwdriver, one silicone brush, and one silicone scraper.